Hey y'all, I was lucky enough to get my hands on Pattern Beauty's entire line. Honestly, there's nothing bad I can say about this entire line, from the shampoo to the conditioner, the leave-in, the oil. I loved it all, honestly. Starting with the shampoo, it is really moisturizing. As you can see that my hair looks very moisturized, and I was able to finger detangle with it, which I really like because I don't like always having to depend on my conditioners to help me to be able to detangle my hair. And I felt that my scalp and my hair were really clean without being stripped. Moving on to the conditioner, it is super thick. I got the heavy, which is for really tight curls, and I love it. I love thick conditioners. I feel like it's perfect for thicker hair, thicker curls, kinkier hair. It can also be used as a deep treatment. So I did leave mine in for about 10 minutes and let it sit in my hair. And as you can see, my hair is very easily detangled by hand. But I wanted to try it with the Pattern Beauty brush. And as you can see, at first I was struggling. Okay, I was struggling. It's a really dense brush. The rows are really close together, and there's a lot of rows, so it's really dense. I saw a lot of people say that they don't think it's for tight for hair, but what I had to realize is that it's like a Denman brush. And with my Denman brush, I wasn't able to just simply brush through my hair in a horizontal fashion. I had to use the brush and brush through my hair vertically. So as you'll see, I turned the brush vertically to brush my hair, and that's when it starts to go through smoothly. So I had to keep that in mind, and I actually really ended up loving this brush. It even helped me to get a lot of the definition for my wash and go. So if you get the brush, be sure to use it vertically if your hair is really thick. So here I am rinsing out the conditioner, and again going back in with the brush. Now it's easier for me to use the brush the normal way since my hair is thoroughly detangled and it's wet. And now I'm going in with the leave-in, and the leave-in is super moisturizing as well. Like I said, I don't have anything bad to say about any of these products. You can see how it's defining my hair, how shiny my hair is. And then I'm going to go in with some of the jojoba oil that I got as well to lock in that moisture. And I'm just going to twist it up. As you can see, my hair is super defined. And the more hydrated and moisturized your hair is, the more your curls will come through. And I just continue to do the same thing in the last section, rinsing out while brushing out the conditioner before applying the leave-in, the oil, and then twisting my hair up. Pattern Beauty was created specifically for black hair, specifically for our curls, our coils, and I honestly think that they did an amazing job. And please don't think that my hair likes everything and doesn't dislike some products, because it does. I just choose not to dwell on those. I only choose to share what I like. So please don't think my hair doesn't not like anything. If it doesn't not like anything, I will definitely tell you. But for the most part, I try to keep it on a positive level. And if I don't like something, I don't diss them, basically. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video.